Hello guys, this is Zarin. Welcome to my tutorial. So today we'll be installing Anaconda for all the Python based works. So let's start. Rather than wasting time, let's begin. Let's go on. Let's begin. Go to this particular page. Okay, Google Chrome. I just entered in my Google Chrome. Looks a little bit new. I know that. Fine. Let's download. Let's click directly download Anaconda Python. Let's click. Press enter. Okay, there it goes. Download Anaconda. Fine. The Anaconda is up here. Yup. Finally, internet is working good. Download Anaconda. Anaconda is here. Yo, finally, Anaconda is up here. Now I have to install Windows. So let me select which is good for me. 3.6, 2.7. Which one to go? Let's go for 3.6. Fine, guys. I'll go for 3.6. So I'll click on the download button. So it starts downloading here. Here is a downloading thing. So let's do one more thing. By the time it gets downloaded, so I'll pause the video for the time. Let's get downloaded. Time will take a lot of time, so let's pause it. So after a long time, finally it's downloaded. Now let's go to install Anaconda. So double click out there. So it's getting verified. Okay, verifying the particular installer. Oh yes, it's done. Fine, I'll agree on that. And just me, yes, obviously I don't want anyone to go into my accounts, obviously. So here is the place where you have to install. So you can do anything is you can locate any, go to browse documents, select anywhere you want to locate it. That's all up to you. So fine, I already have it installed, so mostly don't install. Okay, so I already have this installed. So add an account. Also mostly I prefer you guys to go with this. Register Anaconda as my default package. Please go with this, so it will be easy for installation. You don't have to add a package or install, then directly click on installation. That will be all done. So you'll be all set for that particular thing. So the installation is totally completed. Fine. After the installation has been completed, let's select where the hell is Anaconda. Okay, I got it. Anaconda navigator. It is starting. Obviously that's the command prompt that runs. Fine. So that is gonna come like that only. I hope it goes well. Starts soon, I hope. Fine, that's working fine till now. Let's see how much time it's going to take to come up. Yeah, it's working fine. So it's initializing. Wow, I kind of like this logo. So let's come up. Good of Anaconda. Wow, it kind of looks like a snake's tails. And fine. So loading packages, loading applications. Okay, this is telling the command prompt that I'm going to run this software. Okay, I don't know what is that. So it's finally loaded. Yeah, it takes a kind of time because I'm running on low RAM. So I'll tell you, after all this comes up, this page will come up. So it goes to launch of these activities can be directly launched. So please don't launch it now at this moment. Let's set up this environment first. Okay, so we do have this environment. These two environments it's my own environment, personal environment. Please don't try to create any other environments. So base environment is already there. So if you it will be already there set up. So some packages which are not installed. So let's install all the packages. So if you are basically I prefer when we are starting with any of these things, let's go with some basic things. Let's just search NumPy. Okay, so these are the packages NumPy. So here is NumPy. You can directly click on this and mark for an update or mark for a removal. That's already installed. So just click on it. It will ask you at the bottom saying that you want to install it. So let me install one thing and show you whether it's going to, how it's actually going to work. Okay, so fine. Let me install something which I do require. Something. I do require something. Oh, I haven't installed anything, I suppose. Okay, I want something. Okay, let me search ngr. Okay, that's not available in this package. wrong way to start. Fine, so I have, just suppose I don't have this IPython and iJupyter, so let's install all the packages that I want. So Jupyter, let me see, okay, iJupyter as a search, okay, so that is not available for me at present showing. So let me install various packages that you guys wanted. NumPy, so NumPy is one of the packages that we wanted, so let's download that. I've kept it for downloading saying here, and I give it an apply here, so that package will be downloaded here. So the packages, let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, the packages will be installed. So by the time it happens that, so I'll let you know which all packages are required, actually required. So this is NumPy, this is one particular package that we require. Matplotlib, there's another package that is required. So there is a pandas library function, that is again one more required. So these three things are the most basic things that we require. So I request you guys just download this thing. Okay, I'll be explaining you what all these packages will contain, how are you guys going to be benefited by these packages soon. So that's gonna come. Okay, fine. So this is gonna come like this. So this pack 6, it's after that button has gone, so it will tell you the 6 packages has to be installed. So you just give it as apply. So down you can see it is installing. So you must be thinking, why did he go to TFT 3.6 and why not base? Sorry guys, base I had already installed it, and there were no such packages that were already left to be installed. So I had to shift an environment where I didn't install any of the packages, just to show you how to install. So I guess that's just a piece of a cake for all of us. So that will be going to be very simple. Fine, after the particular installation everything has been completed. Let's wait and see. After that, okay, this is still going on. I'm still waiting. So it is a bit slow guys, so I'm having issues. I hope it resolves fast. So let's make it pause. Fine, so by the time it gets installed, let me pause it. Installation takes quite a time. It took quite long of time to install NumPy. Let me see where it is. So finally I have this NumPy installed. Okay, the similar way you have to install Mat. Put it for all, and just enter Mat Matplotlib. So you can have to install this, and also you have to install pandas. Okay, you can use pandas this or profiling too, both will work. So I prefer pandas is this because it is directly saying powerful Python data analysis tool. So why to go for any other? That's all. Now I directly this and directly give an apply button here. So all the packages will be loading here and the same process to repeat. Fine. That's we gonna take a while again. So all the packages will be installed the same way. Fine. So I have all the things set up. So again, just an overview. First, go to Google Chrome. Fine. Enter the search as download Anaconda for Python. Download it, run it, and you are all set to go. So after all is set, you are all ready to go to Anaconda and run whatever files you require. So this is all set. PC is running slow. Okay, so I will be soon into root. Yeah, that goes root. Fine. So I already have all the packages installed, whichever I had from the previous tutorial. So that's all set up. So I'll be using, as I said, I'll be using Spider. So that's fine. So as you guys complete installation, just comment below how did you like it. So an easy way. I know I skipped little steps, but because I previously installed it, so I could help it out. So fine. I hope you guys will be enjoying the future tutorials. So future tutorials will be step by step. Just the installation part, yeah, it's kind of hectic. So it went like that. So I hope all went good. So any problems, queries, you can directly comment below. Fine. Okay, do like, do subscribe. Thank you. And also one more thing, the upcoming tutorials will be soon updated about how to use various library functions of Python. And why Python I prefer for any of these data analysis work. You can either go with R also. Soon I will be updating on R language also. So fine. See you back. Bye. See ya. Tata.